go get food after this.
I'm getting hungry, I know. I swear you're always hungry.
Mom, look.
Maybe next time we come, we'll see him. I saw him.
Look. Quack, quack.
Hi, Dad. Hi, you made it.
I made it.
Oh, wish I wanted to eat him more.
And all that cute stuff here. It's just for everyone to see. Who's coming to see you, Justin? He's like, hey, Justin, what's up? I'm digging in the leaves here for some stuff. Oh, no. Don't do that. Okay, we'll go get food. So cute, look at him.